What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we've got another mod for the Subi. So we have just received a package from Street Element. It literally just got delivered outside my door, and it is a gurney flap, as you can tell from the title of this video. I've always wanted a gurney flap. I think they look really cool, and this one especially I think makes the rear end look really aggressive. I've been really impatient waiting for this to come, and it did get delayed I think because of bushfires and stuff in my state. But that's all good, it's here now. And I just want to say a big shout out to Street Element for hooking me up with a discount to make this video for you guys. So go check them out, they're an amazing company. I've also bought this wing from Street Element, so if you guys are ever looking for a wing for your WRX or a gurney flap, I'll link both of these in the description of this video. It's really good quality, and I've had it on my car for over a year now. And yeah, it's treated me well, and I'm just really keen to get this on. Whoa, here we are. Whoa, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was.
I want to give you something.
Oh. That's what she said?
So, this is what it comes with out of the box. You get some double-sided tape that we need to use, and it's nice and protected in some foam, and we don't need this anymore. I'm really excited to see this. So I actually did get the gloss black one, and if you're wondering why I didn't go carbon fiber, it's because I don't have a lot of carbon fiber on my car, and I just think gloss black will look really clean, and I think it will match the rest of my build. Here we go, guys. Damn. So here it is, guys. Here's my new gurney flap for my WRX, painted in a nice gloss black finish. I already just test fitted it on the car, and it fits perfect, and it's gonna look so good. Let's give you guys a little sneak peek of what it will look like on the car. I think it should go about there, I assume. That is a perfect fit. I do not trust myself to to let that stay there without me touching it, but I'm gonna trust it. Damn. Wow. That makes a huge difference, guys. Check that out. I can't wait to actually get it stuck down, but that's how it should sit. That looks way more aggressive. That's so cool. Okay guys, so with our double-sided tape, I'm just gonna kind of go with maybe 2 really big long lines, reaching from end to end, or maybe just a few individual ones so it can kind of spread out, and then any more if I need to, because I really don't want it to fall off. This was pretty expensive. So yeah, I'm just gonna give that a go and see if we can evenly spread out some of this double-sided tape. First, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a clean with some methylated spirits, just so the tape can evenly dry. Alright, that should be ready to chuck some on. Really hope I don't mess this up. So how am I gonna do it? I don't know, let's just get into it. Give that a go. I actually didn't know how to lay this out, kind of just did my own thing, but it's looking very symmetrical, and I don't think this is going to be flying off anytime soon. So this should work if you guys want to copy the same design I did. Wipe down. Just got to peel off the tape. Alright guys, let's get it on the car. Oh, wish me luck guys. I really hope I don't mess this up. Oh. Yes! It's perfect! This is not going anywhere. I am holding this down for ages, so make sure to hold it down for like a minute in every single area, just in case you don't want to lose it. Alright guys, we're all done. Excuse me for sweating, but it's really hot in my garage. Damn! Wow. What do you guys think of that? Look how much more aggressive it makes the rear end. It just looks good from every angle. Quickly open up the garage so you guys can see. Alright, let's just give it a little nice wipe down. Get rid of all my fingerprints. So there we have it guys. New Gurney flaps installed. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Wow, I'm really glad I went with the gloss black instead of the carbon fiber, because I don't really have any carbon fiber on my car. It would look a lot better if I paint matched these and got these gloss black. Well guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped you with installing your Gurney flap, or if it helped you decide if you want to buy one or not. I'm super stoked with the quality. The paint match is amazing, and it's definitely worth the money you pay for. And the fitment is honestly perfect. I was assuming it wouldn't be, but like perfect on either side. And I just think it looks awesome. Big shout out to Street Element for giving me a discount to make this video for you guys. Really means a lot, and it really helps me out for the channel. So thank you guys. And once again, if you guys do want the link to any of the products, I will link my wing and the Gurney flap down below. And I'll also link the carbon fiber version. So if you guys want the carbon fiber one, you can go buy that one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. And while you're down there, hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. That's all from me, guys. You guys are the best. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day or night. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.